Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Ramamba from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the nose. Let's draw two curves going in, like this. Then from both sides, let's curve it out and back in. And then a curve underneath in the middle. Now on both sides, let's add a small curve for the nostrils and color it in black. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve under in the center. Now from the ends, let's curve it up and bring it out. And now let's follow that same curve underneath. Now from the ends, let's draw a curve in, bring it out, and then meet it at the bottom in the center. And the same thing on the outside. Now underneath the mouth in the center, let's draw a point down and back up. And then on the sides, let's draw a curved one out and back in. Next for the mouth, let's hop in and let's draw the teeth. Let's start inside at the top and let's draw two rectangles down in the center. And then another one on both sides. And now let's work our way up by drawing curved shapes all the way up, getting smaller as we go. Now for the bottom row of teeth in the center, let's draw two small rectangles. And then let's work our way out on both sides. And that's it for the teeth. Next, let's hop up and let's draw the eyes. On top of the mouth on both sides, let's draw a circle. And then on top of the eyes, let's draw a curve out and down. And then on top, let's draw an angle up on both sides. Next at the top here, let's draw the horns. Let's start with a curve in on both sides like this. And then let's curve it up, out, and down. And the same thing underneath. And now let's add some curved stripes inside. Next, in between the horns, let's draw two curves for the top of the head. And now top to the sides next to the eyes, and let's draw a wavy line out and bring it down. Then from the ends, let's curve it back up. And then a wavy line back in. And that's it for the head. Now let's draw the body. Let's start on top in between the horns, and let's draw a curve over to the right. And then continue it on the other side, bringing it down. Now on the right side next to the mouth here, let's draw a curve out and up. Then underneath this line, let's draw a long curve down, curving it over at the bottom. And the same thing on the right side. Now for the end of the body, let's bring it over to the left and then curve it back in underneath. And that's it for Ramamba. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!